Hey, imagine this for a second. You buy a domain name for just $1, and a few weeks later, you flip it for $500, $2,000, or even $5,000. No website to build, no traffic to chase, no followers to grow. Just pure digital real estate flipping. Sounds crazy, right? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how people are making money buying and selling domain names, and how you can do it too, especially with expired domains, using a powerful tool called AI Flip Domains. Here's the truth. The domain aftermarket is a $2 billion industry. Every single day, regular people, just like you, are flipping domains they picked up for a few bucks into serious paydays. The problem? Finding the right domains is hard. You can spend hours scrolling through endless lists, guessing which names might sell, and still end up with nothing. That's where AI Flip Domains changes the game. It's like having a veteran domain flipping expert sitting right next to you, guiding every decision. Instead of guessing, the AI researches real sales data from marketplaces like NameBio, Afternic, and Sedo, then hands you a curated shortlist of domains buyers are already searching for. So, how does it work? Let me break it down in 4 simple steps. Step 1. Discover opportunities. The AI scans expired domains, trending keywords, and live sales data. It surfaces domains that buyers are actively paying for. No more random lists, just real opportunities. Step 2. Get valuation scores. Every domain gets an AI Valuation Score, AVS. You'll see clear recommendations: strong buy, consider, or avoid, plus an estimated resale range. Before you spend a single dollar, you already know what a domain is likely worth. Step 3. Claim and list in minutes. Found a winner? Buy it instantly through Namecheap, GoDaddy, or Porkbun, right inside the app. Some domains cost as little as $1. Then, AI Flip Domains automatically generates a professional for sale landing page and shows you exactly where to list it so buyers can find you. Step 4. Negotiate like a pro. When offers come in, and they will, the AI negotiation assistant analyzes every offer, tells you what to counter, when to accept, and even writes the reply message for you. No stress, no guesswork. Just smart, data-driven negotiation. Let me give you a few real examples. QuickLedger.com, grabbed for $1, estimated resale $200 to $500. QuantumFleet.com, bought for $89, estimated value $4,500. AIAgent.io, purchased for $1,800, resale potential $4,000 to $7,000. That's the kind of arbitrage AI Flip Domains finds for you. Low risk, high upside, and all backed by real comparable sales. Here's the best part. You don't need to be a tech wizard or marketing guru. You don't need traffic, followers, or ads. Buyers come to you through established marketplaces that get millions of searches every day. With AI Flip Domains, you can start small, maybe 5 domains at an average flip of $200 each. That's $1,000 profit from just a few bucks in domain costs. Scale up to 15 domains, and you're looking at $6,000. Build a portfolio of 30 domains, and you could be pulling in $12,000 to $15,000 in flip revenue. And remember, this is a $2 billion market. There's plenty of room for you to carve out your slice. So, if you've been looking for a simple, low-risk way to make money online, domain flipping with AI Flip Domains might just be your golden ticket. It takes the guesswork out, gives you expert-level insights, and coaches you through every step, from discovery to negotiation. Start small, build your portfolio, and watch your digital assets grow in value. Click the link below to get instant access to AI Flip Domains and start flipping your first domain today. Who knows? Your next $1 purchase could turn into a $5,000 payday. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the inside.